Hello, fifth graders. Happy Friday. Today's assignment for, well, it's just our homeroom class that'll get this. So, our assignment is based off of like social emotional learning. We kind of talked about it in our morning meeting yesterday. What we're going to be doing as your assignment is you're going to write a reflection on how your week went. So, you're going to write about maybe the positives, negatives, some things you weren't really sure about. So, for example, if I was writing a reflection about how my week went, I would maybe write about I come into school at different times, and that's not necessarily hard for me, but it kind of messes up my schedule. And when we mess up our schedule, it affects the way we think and work and things like that. It may be a little bit harder to get motivated to do things. So maybe something that you could write about would be if you're at home with a brother or sister, it's not as easy to work because they're wanting to play or things like that. So things to think about are maybe um, one could be your working times if those change. You could write about um, if you're finding it hard to work at all, or you can write about everything that's good as well. Something that's maybe nice for you is I've heard lots of people can work at their own pace, and that's awesome too. That's something to write about. One thing that is really good about reflection is when we bring out the things that are bad, we can eliminate those for the future. So if you're telling me what's hard for you at home, well, I can maybe think about things to try and eliminate those. And then if we're writing about the positives, we can repeat those things for the future too, to continue and make our learning experiences more positive. And, you know, we want as much positive as we can and take out the negatives. If you have any questions about what you need to do for your reflection, feel free to pop into the Google Meet. Um, the requirements of it are that you write 3 paragraphs, and remember, in a paragraph, you need to have 5 sentences. That's pretty much about it. If you want help with scheduling anything, maybe if you're a person that needs a schedule written out for you, like at 8:15, come to the morning meeting. 9 o'clock, do your reading. 9:45, do your science. 10:15, do your math. I can write schedules out for you, or anything that you need, just pop into the meeting and we can talk about it. Have a good day.